I welcome all for the class estimation of length weight relationship in fishes. Organisms generally increase in size in terms of length and weight from the birth time till its death, that is during its developmental stages. So there are several key factors which influences the growth of fish due to food availability and environmental parameters. So now we are going to see about the length weight relationship and how to estimate it. So the length weight relationship also provides means for finding out the condition factor and the seasonal changes in the conditional factors, which are useful to determine the biological changes in the fish. So, the relationship between the length and weight in fishes has been given in the formula of W is equal to AL to the power of B. So, what are all the uses of length weight relationship is to convert growth in length equation to growth in weight for stock assessment models, for the estimation of the biomass of a species from length frequency distributions, to calculate an estimate of well-being of the fishes, for the life history and morphological comparisons of the life histories of certain populations of fishes from one region to the another region. So now here we have taken 10 number of fishes, that is 10 number of samples of Singi, that is Heteropnestus fossilis. So now we will calculate one by one. So here we have given length of 10 fishes and corresponding weight of the same species. Now we will take a log of length equal to log of this length will be your x and log of weight, that will be your corresponding y. Now we have to multiply x variable with the y variable. Now we have to go for squaring of x, then you have to go for squaring of y. Either you can do by the squaring, or you can multiply with the same once again to get the same answer. So for one sample we have done by using Excel sheet, this cross option, we can drag it to get all the corresponding values of the same operation in one time. Now we need to take a sum of all by using auto sum option, or you can give by the formula equal to sum open bracket, you can do, or else equal to sum of C3 is to C12 close bracket. Yeah, we did. Now in this equation, like as we said, the length weight relationship will be given in the form of W is equal to AL power B. So if we take natural logarithm with base e or logarithm with base 10, the above model will become into the linear equation as of log of w is equal to log a plus b log l, which is in the form of y is equal to a plus bx, where log of a is the intercept and b is the slope or the regression coefficient. So in order to calculate that intercept and coefficient, that is slope, we have two different formulas for a and b. So a is equal to n, that is number of samples, into summation of xy, this is xy, and if you're summing up you will get the summation of xy, minus summation of x, that is log of length will be x, if you're summing you will get summation of x, similarly summation of y. The entire thing is divided by n into summation of x square minus summation of x the whole square, you will get b value. Similarly, for a value you have to take summation of y minus b into summation of x the whole divided by n. So one by one we will do it. So now we are going to calculate the b value. So first we are taking the numerator option as n into n is 10, then summation of xy, then summation of x into summation of y. So you got two different answers, that is summation of xy into n, you got this, and summation of x into summation of y, you got this. So now you have to perform the function as the minus operation for the numerator, this minus this, to get the numerator value. Similarly, for the denominator you need to perform this. So here n into, that is n is 10, summation of x, the summation of x square, this one, then summation of x the whole square, then again you have to perform the minus operation for this, for the denominator, this minus this, you will get the denominator. So now numerator divided by denominator, you will get the b value. See, this is your b value. B is nothing but slope or the regression coefficient. So in theory one might expect that the exponent b would have a value of roughly b is equal to 3, that is isometric growth. If it is beyond 3 and less than 3, it may be considered as positive and negative allometric growth respectively. So see here, because of the volume of a three-dimensional object is roughly proportional to the cube of the length for a regularly shaped solid. So the length what we are taking is a single dimensional, that is one dimensional, whereas the weight which is depends upon the volume which is three dimensional. So now we are calculating the intercept, that is a value. So we need summation of xy, sorry, summation of y, that is this one, then b into b is nothing but what we have calculated. So just I am taking after decimal 4 point, that is 8153 into summation of x, this one. So you have to perform the numerator option, that is summation of y minus b into summation of x. You will get this answer. Then again this is the numerator, then for the denominator, that is n, that is n is equal to 10. So you can directly perform the operation of the final operation, that is the final product of numerator is this one, divided by n is 10 to get this answer. So now we need to take the antilog of obtained a value. So the antilog of obtained a value is nothing but with base 10 we are taking, that is 0.0119. You can take using online calculator. Then we got this a value and b value. So now as for the formula of length weight relationship, w is equal to a l power b. For the we have observed weight here, and we are going to calculate the weight. Now for the calculated weight, so for this function you please open the brackets and you feed a value, that is 0.0119, close the bracket, into, again you open the bracket, length is corresponding length of this particular fish, then to the power of b value is what we estimated, that is 2.8153. just after decimal I am taking 4 digits, then close the all corresponding brackets what you have opened for the operation, then give enter. You will get the calculated weight of the particular fish. See, for this length 15.5, the observed weight is 27.4, the calculated weight is 26.7. So in order to get for all, you please drag it. Then for the k value estimation, that is k value is equal to w by w cap or w by w bar, which is nothing but observed weight by calculated weight. So for performing this option, this values, you need to go for observed weight divided by the calculated weight. You will get this answer of k value. So we need, like we have calculated the k value, that is the condition factor, which is the overall well-being of the fishes. So for this 10 fishes we need to have an average. So see, the well-being of fishes above 1 or positively good. So this is all about the calculation of k value and the how to estimate the length weight relationship in fishes. So here obviously you will get the b value is equal to 3 or around 3, like less than like 2.5 to 3.5 you will get for the b value, and a value will be always very less like it will usually starts with 0.00. Since b, if you are taking b is equal to 3, the somatic growth is isometric, or b is smaller, that is smaller than 3, that is negative allometry. If it is more than 3, it is positive allometry. Like when b is greater than 3, the large specimen increases in height or width faster than in length, either as a result of a change in a body shape with size, or because of the large specimens in the sample, or in better conditions than the small ones. Controversially, when b is less than 3, either the large specimens have changed the body shapes or become more elongated, or the smaller specimens were in better nutritional condition at the time of sampling. So this is our aim to examine the differences in the length weight relationship between different sexes and different species. Even each of the species will have specific length weight relationship or specific length weight parameters. It may differ, it will always differ from species to species, between the stocks, or between the different geographical regions. Thank you.